Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A10s, and let me share with you some secret codes which you can use on your device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer and let me show you the first code, which is the shortest one. It is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which should open the firmware version. It is *1234#, so it's quite easy. And as you can see, we just entered the version, so here we can check the AP, CP or the model of this device. So let me show you another code which will open the battery status. It is *0228#. And as I said, we are in the battery status. We can check the network, current value and the voltage or the level. Let's get back and let me show you the last code which will open the USB settings. It is *0808#. And as I said, we are in the USB settings, so here we can change the model, we can choose the CP or AP, or we can choose and change the settings. In order to do that, all you have to do is simply tap on the option like to set and confirm it with OK or reboot. After tapping on reboot, your device will simply be restarted. So actually, this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Samsung Galaxy A10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.